Hello my lovelies, my name is Kukua and this is Kukua's Inspiration. In this video, I just want to show you how I cook on budget for my family this very Sunday when I have nothing in my kitchen. Over here, I have my curry rice ready. Then at this side, I have my egg nicely boiling. At this side, I have my red oil on fire, about to start my stew. This is salted tilapia. I'm just adding it to my oil. I'll fry this side by side till it is well cooked. Then I'll just take it out from the oil and add my other ingredients. Frying this because I want the flavor of this salted fish into my oil to make my oil flavorful for cooking. At this side, I have my pepper, onion, garlic and ginger for my stew. I will add all this to my blender. Then I have fresh tomatoes too that I'll add to this and blend for my stew. Yes, back onto my Kobe head. I like fish head. Okay, so I'll be turning this, like I said before, front and back, for side by side, for it to cook well, at least for 5 minutes. At this point, my Kobe is ready. I'll take it out of the fire and then I'll add my onion for frying. I'm frying this onion for just 2 minutes. Then I'll add my tinned tomatoes. I'm stirring this, then I'll cover and leave it to cook for like 10 minutes because I don't want the sour taste of the tinned tomatoes in my stew. And at this side, I have a sobolo ongoing. I've soaked this for 3 hours. I'll put it on fire now for the week. I checked on my egg and my egg is ready, so I'll take it out of the fire, pour the hot water away, wash it with cold water and still add cold water, soak it for some few minutes before I take off the shells of the egg. Back onto my stew, the tinned tomatoes have cooked very well. So now I'm adding the ingredients I blended, the pepper, tomatoes, onion, ginger and garlic. I'll stir this and cover it and allow it to also cook for some 5 minutes. The egg is nicely peeled here together with the Kobe head. They are waiting for their turn to enter into the stew and I'm ready to eat. Back onto the stew. The stew is almost ready. So now I will rinse the blender and add the water to the stew. Stir again and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then I'll introduce the other ingredients. Now it's time for me to introduce my secret ingredients. Ta-da! This fish. If you know this fish, you know how hard it is to get this fish cleaned. I had to wash like 5 times before I could get all the sand off this fish. So now I've added this to my stew. I'll stir, then I'll introduce my spice and seasoning cubes. So first I'll add in my curry powder, then I'll add Maggi cube, just half of Maggi cube to this stew. Stew is well cooked, so now I'm introducing my other proteins, my 3 eggs and the almighty Kobe head. I like fish head. So now my stew is ready and it's time to eat. Join me, it's Please, this video is to inspire you and motivate you to go to your kitchen. Whatever you have there, just put them together. At least you can get something out of it to give to your family. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.